Hello guys, you're welcome to class. In case you're just joining us, this is PIMAGE Skills Empowerment and Entrepreneurship Academy on household cleaning products and beauty products. In today's online training, I'll be showing you how to make 25 liters of multi-purpose liquid soap. Okay, over here I have my measuring scale, I have my measuring cups, I have all my equipment here, and this is my hand glove. So in here I have 22 liters of water because I have already taken out 3 liters of water to dissolve my chemicals. So talking about the chemicals, over here these are my chemical. I have my caustic soda, soda ash, STPP, SLS. I'm using the right type of SLS. Don't forget we have two types of SLS. Sulfonic acid, formalin, foam booster. This is optional. I have two types of color here, color green and color blue. You can choose to make just a color, one color. And lastly, I have my fragrance. I'm using lemon. So now, first thing first, I'm going to dissolve all the powdered chemical in water and allow it to dissolve gradually for about 3 to 5 minutes. This is soda ash. I'm using 1.5 liters of water to dissolve it because it takes longer to dissolve. So that's why I'm using more water compared to other chemicals. Alright, welcome back. As you can see, all the powdered chemicals are fully dissolved. So let's start the practical. The first chemical I'm going to start with is my nitrosol, which I forgot to mention when I was making the list of chemicals. So this is actually the first chemical in the production of multi-purpose liquid soap. So in goes the nitrosol. Make sure it's fully dissolved before you add any other chemical. The second chemical to go in is the caustic soda. The caustic soda solution. I've added my caustic soda solution. Followed by the soda ash solution. After the soda ash solution, I'm going to mix the sulfonic acid and the Texapon together. Here is the Texapon. And the sulfonic acid. Make sure the two chemicals are properly mixed together before you pour it into the soap. At this point, I'm going to pause the video. As you can see, the Texapon and the sulfonic acid are fully mixed together. So I'm going to pour it into the mixture, into my mixture, and give it a good stir. Because if you don't stir it properly at this point, your soap might end up having lumps. After the sulfonic acid and the Texapon, in goes the SLS solution. And the STPP solution. Add and continue stirring. Now I'm going to stir it for the next 5 minutes and leave it for the foam to reduce before adding the formalin, before adding my preservative. This is my foam booster. So I'm going to allow the foam to reduce before adding the formalin, the color, and the perfume, the fragrance. So see you in the next 10 minutes. Now this is our multi-purpose liquid soap after the foam has reduced. And talking about the foam, there's a way you can actually do it without having to notice so much foam, and that is by stirring it from one direction. In my own case, I had to stir from both directions because I was using my other hand to control the video. That was why the foam came up so much. And again, looking at the texture, don't forget we are talking about making a profitable multi-purpose liquid soap. So your customers will determine if you are to make it very thick or not. I believe you know what that means, okay? So now I'll go ahead and add my preservative. Add and stir. And finally, I'm adding the fragrance. Wow, smells nice. As earlier said, I want to make different colors, so I'm going to divide the soap into 2 portions and add different colors to it. So now I've shared the soap into 2 portions. I'm going to add color blue to this very one over here. You can make it dark blue or light blue depending on your choice. Alright, this is quite okay. I had to transfer it into a bigger container where you can easily see the colors and the beauty that comes with each of this color. This is color blue, as you can see. It's so nice, and the texture is quite on point. And this is color green. This is color green. Make sure you try it out at home and do let me know the outcome. So with this, we have come to the end of today's training on multi-purpose liquid soap. Thanks for being part of today's training. Until I come your way again with other interesting videos. Bye for now and stay safe. And again, remember to try it out at home, even if it is for personal use. See you and thanks for watching.